Welcome back. We can also use our own domain if we're going to use the Amazon S3 hosting. And Amazon has a facility called Amazon Route 53, which handles the DNS as well as domain registration. And if we were to purchase a domain name through Amazon S3, what we would do is we would come to the Amazon Route 53 homepage. We click Get Started Now. What we would do is we would then click Register Domain. We can then check the name of our domain here. And if we were to check the domain here, we would find that it is probably available. And the price is $25 per year. Although you'd probably want to check a company like GoDaddy. For example, you'll see here that the very same domain is available for 99 cents per year. So in this case, we're going to use this company, GoDaddy, at the time of the recording of this video to purchase this domain. So in this case, we're going to opt to purchase the domain name from GoDaddy, as you can see. So we are now ready to start the process of using our own domain to host our website on Amazon S3. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.